Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. So for today's video, I'm going to show you how to make some of the easiest sheet pan tacos that you can make for your next Taco Tuesday. They're so easy and really delicious. So if you want to see how I make it, then keep watching. But before we get started, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And I do have a second channel here on YouTube. It's called April Time. So if you can go over there and subscribe to that and support it, I would really appreciate it, you guys. And don't forget to click on that notification bell just in case when I do drop a video, you will be the first to know, okay? So enough talking, let's go ahead and get cooking. So I'm going to begin by dicing half an onion to cook with the meat for the tacos. Now all I'm doing is heating up some olive oil and I'm sauteing the onions for about 5 minutes. And now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of chopped garlic to the onions and continue to saute. And next up, 1 pound of ground beef goes right in with the onions and garlic. I mean, for me, onions and garlic always smell so delicious together. So now it's time to really build the flavor. So I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of onion and garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of oregano and cumin, 1 teaspoon of chili powder and smoked paprika, and 1 teaspoon of sea salt and black pepper. And just take a spoon and continue to mix everything together as the meat cooks down. And for a flavor boost at the end, I'm going to add around 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. And continue to mix everything together, and once your meat is done, you're going to set it to the side because we're going to prepare the tortillas. I'm going to use some fajita tortillas and I'm going to put them on a baking sheet, and I'm going to brush both sides of the tortillas with some olive oil. So now I'm ready to scoop 2 spoonfuls of meat on one side of the tortilla. And now I'm going to sprinkle some cheddar cheese on top of the ground beef, but of course you can use whatever cheese you like. And now I'm ready to fold the tortillas over, and because I love cheese, I'm just going to add more cheese on top because everything is better with cheddar, right? I've already preheated the oven at 400 degrees. I'm going to let these go for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes in the oven, your sheet pan tacos are done. The taco shell is nice and crispy, the cheese has melted, and the meat is cooked to perfection. But trust me, these sheet pan tacos are so easy to make. You can add whatever toppings you like. They're an absolute game changer and perfect for your next Taco Tuesday. But we're all done, you guys. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it, and it will help my channel out a whole lot. Share it with everybody you know. Follow me on my new channel. It's called April Time here on YouTube. And if you give this recipe a try, please leave a comment down below and let me know what you think. But wait, you guys, before you leave, don't forget to subscribe to my channel by hitting that subscriber button you see at the bottom of the screen. And if you want to see another video, go ahead and click that box you see right over there. But until then, thank you so much for watching. I love and appreciate all of you, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye bye.